This is my stockpile. This is my stock. This is my stockpile, and there's a lot of her. And I started couponing in March of this year, and I've been couponing ever since. All of this stuff on this table was free. Free 99, from the teas on the table to this was a BOGO. Actually, this was a buy one get one free, but I did get one free can. This was a buy one get one free. These are ginger ale. I drank the first 4-pack and I have 4 left. These were free. These were free. These were all free. These energy drinks, I don't really drink them. I'm gonna give these away, but I mean, the store paid me to take them. The peach teas were free. This was free. Everything on this table was free. And it's because a lot of these brands are newer brands, or they're looking to push their product out. So the first time I signed up for all the apps I was on, everything was free. Now, the total cost of all of this, I will look it up and let you guys know, but this essentially is my stockpile. I stopped buying stuff because I didn't want to have too much. Mind you, if I had my own apartment and I had a closet, I would do so, but I currently am living with somebody. So yeah, I had to cool it. But yeah, this is my stockpile. This cost me essentially whatever this was, BOGO. This was buy one, this one was buy one, get one free, and so was this. So I'm gonna say, I would say my stockpile cost me maybe, I don't know, maybe let's say $10. So this is a $10 stockpile. And I have a lot of products. There's 2, 4, 6, and there's stuff behind here that you can't see, and I kind of just stack it on top of other things. But 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46. So 46 products. Not bad. 46 products for $10, give or take, and I love them all free. The one can, if you see one can, it was free. These were on sale. I don't think these were selling very well. I'm gonna try them out. All this stuff is actually being given away. The other stuff is mine. So yeah, this is my stockpile. If you're interested in learning more about couponing, I will be sharing my tips. This is my drink stockpile. I do have a food stockpile as well, and I will make a video of that and to share with you guys. It'll probably be right after this, so you guys can just see my stockpile. But yeah, this is my stockpile. And all this is free, mind you. I'm gonna put the amount at the end so you know exactly how much everything costs. So I use 2 different apps to do this. I also do traditional couponing, but I like the digital couponing a lot easier because I can use it on my phone. I can look at it wherever I go. So there is 2 apps, and I'll list them in the description bar. You can sign up. I get paid, and so do you. So yeah.
Essentially, this is the pricing for everything on this table, and I saved $92.90 at the end of this. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.